We're back at it with another video, guys, and I wanted to explain to you guys how we can use Chat-GBT in Forex trading. Now, the first thing I want to say is if you're doing Forex and you're into fundamental analysis, go on Twitter and follow Trading Economics, because if you're a visual learner, they provide a lot of visual data, which is why I like Trading Economics. I also use Forex Factory and FX, Daily FX and FX Street, but I use this mostly because it's visual, and I can just click on it and go on their website, and it'll just take me right there to the website with all the other data there in more in depth if I need to. But it's a really visual representation of the data in whole, and we just see a bigger perspective. And here's what I will do. So, for example, it'll just talk about, for example, let's say you'll see some data that says, hey, the CPI or the core inflation rate is lowering, or the CPI is lowering. Okay, so let's say CPI is lowering, and you see that in the news. If you're new and you don't have time to quickly understand what that means, what you can do is use Chat-GBT to quickly accelerate your learning process. So like I asked here before, what does it mean when Forex CPI lowers, right? What does it mean when Forex CPI lowers? It literally will tell you in the contents of Forex, blah, blah, and then it'll just give you all these little pinpoints here. And you can also say, if you want to be quicker, you can say, does this add supply or demand to the US dollar? Like if it's about the US dollar, like if it's US dollar news and it's going to be affecting US dollar currency pairs, you can just do this. Does this add supply or demand to the US dollar? Let's see. The impact of a lower consumer price index, CPI, on the US dollar involves several factors and can vary depending on overall economic context and market expectations. Okay, so in general, lower than expected CPI may influence the supply and demand dynamics for the US dollar as follows. And so here are pinpoints below of how this can affect supply and demand here. And sometimes it will give you a quicker answer and it'll just say, yes, it will add supply and demand because, but you can just quickly read like this first pinpoint, blah, 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 and then yes, if it's supply and demand from this data here. But this is just a good, like even here, you can just ask, what is NFP news mean in Forex, and how NFP news is non-farm payrolls, by the way, news in Forex, and how does this add supply, and does this add supply or demand to the US dollar? Question mark. So we're asking, so let's say you're seeing NFP news and you don't know what that means and what it will do to the charts if you're trading US dollar, right? What is NFP news in Forex? What is NFP news in Forex, and how does it, what is NFP news in Forex, and does this add supply or demand to the US dollar? All right, so we're seeing all this data here. It's breaking it down to what it is. It's showing us what it means if there's higher growth than expected, market sentiment. Okay. The NFP report is closely watched by investors, and it gives insights to the health into the health of the U.S. labor market, which is a crucial component of the overall economic health. Okay, so you can literally just copy this and make a digital notepad with this if you want. And let's say open another tab and then add that there. But you can just quickly read this and then open on another tab, open your Forex chart here, right? And then you can literally have the news here and quickly just ask and expand your news data. And doing this little thing will increase your consistency and increase your profitability, because you understanding the news will allow you to quickly know if whatever pair you're trading has supply and demand based off of the actual news data. You can read data, and that's just another confluence besides just reading price action, which is cool, but economics and this is macroeconomics that controls Forex. So understanding any part of that macroeconomics, like GDP, NFP, unemployment rates, helps your Forex profitability. And if you don't want to learn and be all doing it all day, there's no excuse. You can literally use Chat-GBT to quickly understand the meanings, and you can also just take the parts you like of the meaning that summarize it and just copy and paste it to a Google Doc and print it out in your room or wherever you are in your house. So you can just do that, and this is just a quick way I wanted to share with you guys how this works for me. And yeah, like, we'll do it again. Does the U.S. You can just say this: if U.S. dollar unemployment rates are low,